Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat sejahtera. Kita mulakan kuliah kita. Tajuk kita hari ini ialah number system to represent number system. Okay, saya teruskan kuliah kita. Hari ini kita akan belajar describe why hexadecimal notation in use. Kenapa hexadecimal itu digunakan di dalam komputer sebagai representation dalam komputer. Okay, why hexadecimal notation in use? Hexadecimal number is widely used by computer system designer and programmer. Maksudnya, number system ini, hexadecimal ini digunakan oleh programmer untuk memendekkan ataupun memudahkan untuk kita membaca. Kita ingat lagi, komputer hanya menggunakan binary numbers. Jika komputer represent to binary numbers is a long numbers by binary numbers digit. So to represent hexadecimal is a shorter by binary numbers. This is important reason why hexadecimal is represent in the computers. So this is, for example, hexadecimal numbers in your computers. This is example hexadecimal numbers. This is example for hexadecimal numbers. As you imagine, if computers use binary numbers is so long digit numbers. So user will be long number system by binary represent. So computer use hexadecimal to sort the numbers. This is an example for your network status. Computer will represent hexadecimal numbers. This is very important to represent the computer by hexadecimal numbers. You imagine if computers use binary numbers, the number is very, very long. This is an example for represent software in your computers. Every software you install in computer, the computer must be registered at the system registry in your computers. If you use Windows for OS, the Windows will be register your installation, any software at your computers. So any software in your computer will be registered at the registry system. So the computer will be represent hexadecimal numbers, because hexadecimal numbers is shortly represent. Okay, next, convert between hexadecimal number to decimal. Hexadecimal number to decimal, ini minggu lepas saya telah ajar. This is, for example, hexadecimal numbers to decimal. Comparison between decimal number and hexadecimal numbers. Decimal numbers is used live numbers. Maknanya kegunaan harian. Kegunaan harian kita, every day you use decimal numbers. Hexadecimal numbers is numbers based on 16. Numbers based on 16. Jadi, for decimal numbers, symbol after 9 is 10, 1, 0. Decimal number is 10, 1, 0, 11, 1, 1, 1, 2 is 12, 1, 30, 1, 3 is 13. This is for symbol in decimal number. But in hexadecimal numbers, after 9 is not 1, 0, because 10 in hexadecimal number is 16. So much different between decimal numbers. So 10 in hexadecimal is 16. It's not same by decimal numbers. Decimal 10 is 10. The value of 10 in decimal is 10. But 10 in hexadecimal, the value is 16. So it must be remembered, after 9 in hexadecimal is A. After 9 is A in hexadecimal. A, B, C, D, E, F. F is 15. And after F is 10. Why 10? Because 10, 0 means 16 power of 0, and the symbol of 1 is 16 power of 1 is 16. So 16 plus 0 is 16. And then 17 in decimal numbers in hexa is 1, 1. All right. I hope you will understand the symbol of comparison between decimal number and hexadecimal numbers. So decimal and hexadecimal numbers conversion. Convert the decimal numbers 18 to hexadecimal numbers. 18 in decimal and will be convert to hexadecimal. How to convert to hexadecimal? The number of 16 in decimal numbers must be divided by 16 in hexadecimal numbers. So 18 divide 16, you have 1. And remainder for 18 is 2. So 16, 1 divide 16 is 0, remainder is 1. So hexadecimal numbers from bottom to upper. So 18 equal 1, 2 in hexadecimal numbers. Now the next conversation is 26. 26 divide 16. We have 1 and the remainder is 10. So 10 in hexadecimal numbers, the symbol of 10 is A. All right. You cannot use 10 because 10 in hexadecimal is 16. So the value 10, the symbol of hexadecimal is A. So and then 1 you must convert to 16 and the answer is 0. Now the remainder is 1. Now the conversion for 26 decimal numbers in hexadecimal is 1A based on 16. Okay, next. Now will we convert to hexadecimal numbers to decimal. In hexadecimal numbers to decimal, you must power off the number of hexadecimal. Now 3FB is the hexadecimal numbers. Now convert to decimal numbers. B is power of, D is 16 power of 0, and F 16 power of 1, and 3 is 16 power of 2. So 16 power of 2 is 256. 256 you must times 3. So the answer is 768. And second column is 16 times 15. Why 15? Because F is 15. Because F is 15 in hexadecimal numbers. So 16 5 15 is 240. And then the next column is D. D in hexadecimal numbers. In decimal numbers, D is 13. So 13 times 1 is 13. So you must count all the numbers. The answer is 1021. So 3FD based on 16 in the decimal number is to 1021. Okay, next question is 1A2. 1A2 in decimal numbers. So convert to decimal numbers is 418. 418. So 1A2 based on 16 in decimal number is 418. All right. Now convert between hexadecimal numbers to binary numbers. Binary numbers to hexadecimal numbers. Will we convert binary to hexadecimal numbers? Two-way to composition, binary to hexadecimal numbers. Okay, first way, you can convert from binary number to decimal numbers, and then from decimal numbers to hexadecimal numbers. You must convert decimal numbers first, and then from decimal numbers, you convert to hexadecimal numbers. This is first way to convert binary to hexadecimal numbers. And second way is binary numbers directly convert to hexadecimal numbers. This is directly conversion from binary numbers to hexadecimal numbers. So two way to convert binary to hexadecimal numbers. Okay, now first way, how to convert from binary number to decimal numbers, and then from decimal numbers convert to hexadecimal numbers. Binary numbers, from example 11010 based on 2, convert to hexadecimal numbers. In the first way, conversion, you must convert decimal number first. All right. So how to convert from binary to decimal numbers? The formula is power of 2. So 11010 is every column must be state your digit in binary, and then every column must be 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1, 2 power of 2, 2 power of 3, and 2 power of 4. So 2 power of 4 is 16. 16 plus 2 power of 3 is 8. And then next column is 2 power of 1 is 2. So you must convert all the numbers 16 plus 8 and plus 2. The answer is 26. All right, 26 in decimal numbers, you must convert to hexadecimal numbers. So you must divide 16. 26 divide 16, you have 1, and the remainders is 10. 10 in decimal numbers, so in hexadecimal numbers is A, the symbol of 10 decimal numbers. So in hexadecimal numbers is A. And then 1 divided by 16, you have 0, and the answer remainder 1. So the answer 11010 based on 2 in hexadecimal number is 1A based on 16. All right, based on 16. This is first way how to convert binary to hexadecimal numbers. And then now this is a second way how to convert binary to hexadecimal numbers directly. So you can convert from binary to hexadecimal numbers directly. So how to convert directly from 11010 in binary numbers in hexa, you must spread 4 digits first. All right, 4 digits first. You must count from right to left. from right to left, not right to left. This is wrong. If you spreadly the numbers from left to right is wrong. So you must first spreadly 4 digits from right to left. So from right to left, the first number is 0, 1, 0, 1. This is first group, and the second group, the balance is 1. So this is second group is 1. So for 4 digits in binary numbers, so 2 power of 1, 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1, 2 power of 2, and 2 power of 3. So 2 power of 3 is 8, 2 power of 2 is 4, 2 power of 1 is 2, is 1, 2 power of 1 is 1, and then 2 power of 0 is 1. So 1010 is 8 plus 2 is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. In hexadecimal number, the symbol is 8, and then the second group 1, that means is 2 power of 0. So 2 power of 0 is 1. So composition 11010 based on 2 in hexadecimal is 1A based on 16. All right. Okay, next 10010 in binary convert to hexa. So you must spreadly 4 digits from right to left. So right to left, group number 1, you get only 2 value, and group number 2, you have 1 value. So the answer for 10010 based on 2 convert to hexadecimal is 12 based on 16. All right. Okay, now hexadecimal numbers to binary numbers. Before this, we convert binary to hexadecimal. Now binary numbers, hexadecimal numbers to binary numbers. It's the same conversation, two-way conversion by hexa to binary numbers. First way, hexadecimal will be convert to decimal numbers, and from decimal convert to binary numbers. It's a long conversation from hexadecimal numbers to binary numbers. This is first way. And second way is directly from hexadecimal numbers to binary numbers. All right. Example question from PSPM. Please read very carefully, because the question may be you have convert from hexa to binary numbers from decimal numbers. You must be carefully read the question. So this is a first way how to convert from hexadecimal numbers to binary numbers. Convert first to decimal numbers. Hexadecimal numbers convert to decimal numbers. The formula is power of 16. So power of 16, 3F6 based on 16. So D is 16 power of 0, F is 16 power of 1, and 3 is 16 power of 2. So 16 power of 2 is 7, 6, 8, and 16 power of 1 is 16 times 15 is 240, and D is 13. So the answer hexadecimal is to decimal numbers 1010. to 1. 1021 must be divided 2 because decimal convert to binary numbers. So 1022 convert to binary numbers, you must divide 2. So the answer is 111111101 in binary numbers. This is way number 1. Okay, this is second way how to convert hexadecimal numbers to binary numbers. Okay, the second way from hexadecimal numbers to binary numbers, every digit must be ready for space. Every digit must be ready to 4 space. For example, D, you must ready 4 space. So 4 space is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is first number for D. So D is 13. So 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1, 2 power of 2, 2 power of 3. So 8, 4, 2, 1. How to get the answer for 13? So 1, 1, 0, 1. This is 13. So the answer for 3FB based on 16 in binary numbers is 11111101 based on 2. This is small, shortly, directly conversion from hexadecimal numbers to binary numbers. I hope you will be understand how to convert from binary to hexadecimal numbers and hexadecimal numbers to binary numbers. I will hope you will be understand. Must be remember the numbering system based on 2 is only 2 digit, 0 or 1. And then decimal numbers is based on 10, the digit is 10, 0 and 9. Why 9? Not include 1, 0, 10. Not include. Why? Because 110 is mean based on the decimal numbers. 110 is 10 power of 0 and then 10 power of 1. So 10 power of 1 is 10. So that means 10 is 10. Decimal numbers is based on 16 and the digit numbers from 0 to F is only 15 symbol in hexadecimal numbers. Alright. After F is 110. After F is 110. Why 110? 110 means 16. 1 is 16. 16 power of 0 and 16 power of 1. 16 power of 1 is 16. So the symbol hexadecimal numbers only have 15 symbol and decimal numbers only 10 symbol and binary numbers only 2 symbol. Or symbol mean a characters. So if the PSPM question state the characters of hexadecimal numbers, so the answer is 15 characters. Okay, you must remember that. Okay, now this is only that's it for your lecture today. I hope you will be understand what and how to convert from binary to hexa and hexa to binary numbers. Okay, that's all today. I hope you will be understand.